Is FSSC 22000 certification difficult? Hey there! Ever dreamed of achieving FSSC 22000 certification for your business? It's time to make that dream a reality. Start by familiarizing yourself with the FSSC 22000 requirements and guidelines. Next, conduct a thorough assessment of your food safety management system to identify areas for improvement. Implement any necessary changes to meet the FSSC 22000 standards, involving your team every step of the way. Schedule an audit with an accredited certification body to validate your compliance. Once you pass the audit, you'll receive your FSSC 22000 certification, showcasing your dedication to food safety excellence. With FSSC 22000 certification, you'll boost your company's reputation and open doors to new opportunities in the food industry. Ready to unlock success with FSSC 22000 certification? Let's get started. Give me a quick message or call at 236-513-2488.